What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. As always, my channel is specific to blockchain and cryptocurrencies projects, and in this video I prepared for a great platform. I hope you like it. But before we get started, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to never miss any video, and let's go. In today's video we are going to talk about a project called Dxsale. I will try to give a short overview about this platform and a great future, so I will help you watch the video till the end and enjoy it. Cryptocurrencies is a virtual currencies consisting of codes and algorithms that work just like other traditional coins, such as the US dollar, the British pound, euro, and so on. What distinguishes cryptocurrencies and highlights their importance that they are the first allow decentralized electronic transactions between two peers, without the need for a third party or trusted escrow. Dxsale is a leading launchpad, token minting, and liquidity locking platform that streamlines the process of creating, launching, and locking tokens. Dxsale is the largest decentralized idle launchpad on Binance Smart Chain. To start Dxsale, you should have a MetaMask wallet or any other wallet like Trust Wallet and so on, as appearing in here. You should link your wallet to the website by approving the message and click Connect. Dxsale has added a new feature which is referring and earning from your link. You can generate your link by clicking on Refer and Earn and click Referral Dashboard. In order to generate your code, you should write referral code and the name you want for yourself, and click Confirm creation of the name by clicking on Confirm. Amount costs only the gas fee and is free to generate your code. And finally, you get your code and you can share it with friends and earn 5% for each investment of your referrals. This is a good opportunity to earn a passive income totally for free by referring your friends to join awesome platform. Dxsale is a platform with a strong token called Dxsale that has a great advantage. I expect a promising future for this project. I advise you to review it and collect its tokens and earn from referral system to achieve great profits. So this is our topic for today. I hope you like it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in next video.